YouTube? Welcome to my day off. I ain't got nothing to do today. I actually just woke up a couple of minutes ago and I woke up with full energy, ready to yeah guys, I'm full of energy and I got something planned for today. We're gonna grab the bat, we're gonna smash a bunch of stuff, guys. There's nobody here with me to do this YouTube video, so I've got my boys Bot and Dino with me. Yeah, this is Dino, and this is Bot. This is Bot and Dino. Oh shit, Dino lost his tail. Ah. It's cool, guy. It's cool, boy. It's cool, bro. I got you. Let's go grab that baseball bat and find something to just smash, because I'm full of energy and I got nothing to do on my day off. So we're gonna do something today with the baseball bat and Bot Boy and Dino. Let's go. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a baseball and just pellet them at my boys right there. They don't know what's coming. This is, if you ever ask yourself what I do on my days off, this is pretty much what I do. I just play around with stuff. Right guys, so I don't have a cameraman, but the chair is the best that I could do. Let's go and just pellet them, see what I do. Hopefully one of the spray cans will like burst and just everywhere. I want to get as much paint on the robot and the Dino as possible. Let's see what happens. Oh hell no! Alright, we're gonna scratch that real quick. We're not gonna use the bat anymore because the ball's go flying up in the air. Chill with that. Chill. I don't wanna break no windows. I don't want no neighbors calling the cops on me. Am I a good pitcher, guys? We'll find out right now. We all know I can't hit the baseball bat well, so let's go. So I'm a horrible pitcher as well. So far I've been able to hit the Bot and the Dino. I haven't been able to hit the spray paint cans, which is what I want to do. Let's try one more time. What the hell? What's going on? I'm not hitting them hard enough. After several try, guys, I'm not a pitcher. I'm not hitting them with enough force for them to burst, which is what I want them to do. So I'm just gonna hit them straight up with the bat. Dino! No, look at the Dino! These things are made of steel, guys. It's not bursting. The hell? It's indestructible, guys. Freaking thing is not bursting. I'm not hitting it hard enough. I've hit them with all my might with this bat and I can't get it to burst. I need to go find some bigger guns. Okay, guys, I didn't think it was gonna be this difficult to freaking burst into those spray paint cans. 3 of them are all dented, and 1 of them is still working fine, so I don't know how to get to it. I've brought some piercing tools. I've got this hammer with me. Hopefully this end right here is going to get us what we need, and we're gonna find some other things if that doesn't work. But worst case scenario, guys, oh yeah, we're using this.
Make the ground shake.
A miss.
Make the ground shake.
What the fuck? What? I don't know if you guys were able to see that. Let's go get that can. There it is. That just scared me, guys. The neighbor. It went to the neighbor's house. Let's go get it. That's just straight up propelled, guys. That was hilarious. It's freaking dangerous, though. Permiso. I get that. Oh. Perdón. Whoa. Oh God, it painted the bench. What happened to my to the hammer? Where's the hammer? I don't know about you, but I'm eager to see that playback. I found a hammer. Guys, it painted the hammer. As you can see, that was the white paint. If that doesn't deserve a like, guys, I don't know what the hell it does. That shit exploded. I'm kind of scared to do the other 3, guys, to be honest. But if you guys want to see the other 3 explode just the way that one did, we found a way to do it. I have not gotten around to using this bad boy right here, which I wanted to use. But if you guys do want to see me do that, I'm going to stop right here before something completely horrible happens. I don't know what just happened. The baseball bat did absolutely nothing, guys. But if you hit, I don't know, with the X amount of likes, if you guys hit a couple of likes, guys, I'll do the other 3 just to see what happens with the drill. But for today, that's gonna be it, because I'm scared. I don't want to get the cops called on me. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go.